Hello everyone, this is part 2 of the CKAD Lab where we deploy, make a deployment and then upgrade and roll back. Last time when I was doing this, I had some kind of error that you can see on the screen here. So turns out I messed up something, I missed a line. So let's look at the YAML file again. You see I put these things right under strategy, but it should be under rolling update under strategy. So let's look at that. Let's grab that because that's the strategy name, and those are the parameters of that particular strategy. And colon because that's an object, 2 spaces because these are part of the attributes of those 2 objects. So that should do the trick. Let's try again. Okay, so let's look at deploy. It's already running. You see 4 of 4, so that's good. Now let's see how we can upgrade this. So if we go through the documentation here, what it will see is there's this whole section on upgrade and downgrade. So there's updating and deployment. Literally, you set the image parameter of the deployment to make it happen. So this is the command. All we have to do now, so that's our command. What I'm going to do is set image of, remember our name of our deployment was foo-deploy. That's the name of the deployment. And then image name is going to be nginx equals nginx and 1. I think we have 1.16, so we're going to say 1.17. 1.17, that should do the trick. And we can get the status of this by running this command, rollout status command, and giving it the right name. Okay, and the foo-deploy is the right name. So rolled out. Now, if we want to downgrade, all we have to do is give it back the original version of the nginx. And if we do immediately the full status, it will say it's waiting to finish. Waiting. And now if we do it's rolled out. If we do kget deploy foo.deploy, you see that it's running. If we do describe, I wonder if we do a describe, it will give you the history of this. Deploy foo-deploy. Yeah, you see, you can look at the history just by doing a describe, just like you do on a pod. It's scaled up and down because we put it all. We had certain. So what it does is it keeps some of the old versions so you don't have an outage for the customers, and you increase the numbers of the pods while you put out new versions, and then you roll and take out the old ones as new ones are successfully up and running. So I hope these videos were useful. This is part 2. Make sure to look at part 1 as well. This is a practice lab for CKAD exam Kubernetes. If this video was useful, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time.